Morning from Sydney, Australia. Just flying my birds. This is still a molting season. The birds will finish molting in about a month or about 2 months. End of April they probably will finish molting. So the birds are not really flying real well at the moment. They're just sort of flying, hovering over the house, bit low, but at least they're on their toe and they're working, which is alright for now. As we get colder weather here, but in a month they will start to fly more, and by then they will almost finish their molting as well. Some birds will still continue to molt, but at least they will be in a good shape. There's some birds still sitting on the roof, they don't want to fly. Some birds are flying, which is good. Some birds trying to land, they're getting tired very quickly. Give them a bit of space. So you can see a lot of their tail feather is missing because they're changing their feathers. It's very humid and warm for a morning, but the birds are still flying. Not sure if it's a good idea to fly them while they're molting, but we start racing on 20th of May, so we don't have much of a time left to get the bird fit and get them ready for tossing. So we need about 4 weeks to toss them before the race, so hence we needed to rush them a little just to get them out, get them flying. But ideally they should be locked up, let them finish their molting completely and slowly let them start to fly. But as we said, we start racing in 20th of May, so there will be a federation toss around 14th of May, so needs to get your bird ready to go for the toss by then. This bird still trying to land, hasn't managed to land yet. So my landing board is a bit awkward. Sometimes birds hesitate to land in there. If the landing board was a bit lower, where the baskets are, at that height would be a bit better. I put a new door. My friend came over and helped me build that door. So I opened the door now and the birds can easily fly out of the loft easily. Before they were hitting the wire, they weren't flying properly, but now they do. I've also painted their water container with orange. That will help them to spot where to drink water from easily. They will know where to come from race to drink water, and clean all the floors, perches every day, so they'll be ready to have their feed. And yeah, the birds are still flying there. They should be landing in 5-10 minutes, and I can call them in for feed. They're probably not too hungry because I feed them well whenever I feed them. This bird trying to land, there you go. He had the perfect landing, but you can see how thirsty he is. He's panting really hard, so really shouldn't be flying them in this weather and make it easier for them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys posted. You can see the birds starting to come land on the board, on the roof, everywhere. These one landed on the board. They're back to. It's very humid and hot, so they can't really stay up for a long time. The birds will circle around and come back. There they are. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted with the progress of their racing journey this year. Hopefully some of them do okay and make us proud. Thanks guys, cheers. Just quickly show you guys the birds trapping. So how they come in. So they finished their flying, so they're just going to call them in. They will start coming in. They'll be rushing in.